the first day I'm doing a day in my life. I don't even know what I'm doing, you guys. It's not too much, but it still like gives me that look I want, you know what I mean? Okay, this is the hair. I'm not doing anything to it. It has to be washed, so I'm not gonna waste my time. It's literally day 4. But the makeup, she ate. I usually don't drink coffee, but I've been obsessed with making a little vanilla iced coffee lately. I didn't realize how much sugar outside drinks actually have. So I've been making it at home and it honestly slays. Like, it's so freaking good. So let's make one. Do a little taste test. It's so freaking good. Today's kind of a little bit of an exciting day. We're actually going to pick up our new truck. So freaking excited to show you guys what we got. It's gonna technically be his truck plus his work truck, but it's also mine because I will drive it sometime. Picking up the truck at 2 o'clock. It's 12:20 right now. I'm just gonna get dressed now because I feel like he's gonna be so excited and have a little bit of anxiety and make us leave literally an hour in advance when the dealership's 10 minutes away. Let's figure out what we're gonna wear. I need to clean this mirror, so ignore that.
Oh my god, you're so freaking...
I don't even know what to say, you guys. I've been wanting a Jeep Wrangler literally my entire life. It's been my life goal to have a Jeep Wrangler. So the fact that we freaking got the Gladiator, I don't even know what to tell you. I'm like so happy right now.
With almond milk, no sugar.
For the base weekender because I heard that they have them at Winners, but I literally can't find it anywhere. This is so cute. It's a Valentine's Day cowgirl boot candle. What? Okay, that's everything we got. Let's go home now.